Hi, this is Bulavi speaking, and this is daily checklist video. Today I open my work at 9 in the morning and doing all the routine work as well as and open my mail and check out over here and do my ad and also check my daily routine work schedule via task management. Yesterday I send you the sale, Elite logo sale. We have not got yet any comments on that from you, so you should give me the comments about on the sale. And today I work on my schedule Goldcrest and work over there and got some product and set it on my my sheet, so please check out over here. And today tomorrow I will also check out on Goldcrest. So this is my today's work. So thank you for watching my video. Bye.